$84,828.98. That's how you can make using this system. Well, that is what this video says, and I love the content creator. I love the video creator Dave Nick. I have a lot of respect for him, but I have a problem with this video because when I went to the website that they're referring to, I could not find these numbers. Welcome to this video, and I'm going to show you how you can actually make $84,000 without a website, without technical knowledge, without experience, without ever making money online. And the best of the best part, you can make money from anywhere in the world and you can get paid through PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, or cryptocurrency or digital currency. Sounds good? Let's begin. So the website name is proposh.me. Go there and you'll see how to earn. They have a simple process. The process is you register using this page. Once you finish registration, they will give you a particular specific link that is your referral link, a referral link just for you. Then you go ahead and use that referral link to refer more people to them. Or in another way, you can simply take a script or a code and put it on your regular website. When people visit your website, that script will generate a pop-up. When people subscribe, you will make money. So based on the number of subscriptions, you will make money in this rate. Now, no need to make it complex. There is a calculator. So let's say you choose mobile and you select a country like US, and now you go take this bar all the way, make it high. And what do you see? 50,000, well, it's basically showing 50,000 monthly visitors, or 50,000 visitor will generate $11,550. Well, I don't know where is $84,828. It's the same exact reason why we have low income, we have debt, and we have poor credit score. And the reason is we have less number of people paying us money. I'm going to solve this problem today, and I'm going to show you thousands of people ready to pay you money. Before we move forward, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends and family. The goal of this channel is to help 100 million people, individuals and families in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, the right way, the easy way, and the fun way. And we cannot do it without your help. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. Everyone you know, you think that they also need to learn how to make money online. The right way, the easy way, and the fun way. Go ahead, hit the like button and share this video. Be a part of this noble mission of helping 100 million people. Alright, let's begin. First of all, let me show you the problem and then we will solve the problem. The problem here is, you see this traffic? This traffic are the people who visit websites. Driving 50,000 visitors equals millions of dollars. Here is an example. Look at these numbers. You see this host Zpresso highest converting offer today. This is an offer. It's a solution to a big problem. It offers hosting server to host your websites for one-time price, and you don't have to pay monthly or annual recurring fees like other hosting companies. So when we promoted this offer to the people who need this offer, look at what happened. So far, we sent 4,413 visitors to this offer. This is the page, sales page, or the website of the offer. And the customers loved it. Every customer on the average spent $5.80. So together we made $25,576. Now, if this is from 4,000 people only, 4,000 people, what could be the potential of 50,000 people? 50 million visitors? Shouldn't it be hundreds of millions of dollars at this rate? Alright, even if it's not, there can be a lot of money. So now let me show you where you can get these people who are ready to buy from you. Oh, by the way, in case you need a hosting server at a one-time price, Host Zpresso is of course the best of the best solution, and I will leave the link in the description. The answer to your problem of where are the visitors, where are the customers, is Quora. Quora is a place where people ask questions and answer those questions. Quora has a lot of traffic, 543 million monthly visitors, and 70% of the traffic or the visitors come from Google. When people Google show them the answers and the questions on Quora. So basically, if you or me are engaged in Quora, we will get Google traffic. So here is a question on Quora about which is the best web hosting. And somebody answered with just one simple little piece of paragraph and got 1,100 views. If this person was promoting HostGPresso from 1,100 views, theoretically, it would make something around $6,000. Another answer got 1,800 views, which should equal to $10,000. We actually have a list of 5,000 high traffic posts that get thousands of views, visitors, and customers every single month. And we recently launched a software called Speed. Speed will automate the Quora traffic generation process. Link is in the description, you can get it. The website says everything about the software, the results we are getting and the other users are getting using the software, and Quora traffic, the money people are making. You'll see the explanations, some of the examples, the steps involved to use and get traffic is basically only 2 steps and it's mostly automated. Everything you're going to get from the package, testimonials, and bonuses, exclusive bonuses only for the launch period. After the launch period, these bonuses might be taken down and the price will definitely go monthly recurring. Now it's one-time price. And last but not least, this comes with 30-day no question asked money back guarantee. Link is in the description. You can get it, start using it and get traffic from Quora. And Speed customers will get this 66-page list of 5,000 Quora posts to start getting traffic just by answering them without wasting time. So my final words about this particular video is that the video is awesome and I like Dave Nick. What he showed step-by-step process about how to subscribe to ProPush.me is perfect. But ask yourself this question. Do you really want to waste all this traffic for literally few bucks? I'll show you. For 1,000 visitors, you're going to make 23 cents. While 1,000 visitors sent to HostGPresso will make you $5,800. I will leave another video link somewhere in the description or in the cards to show you how you can sign up for a free account on Warrior Plus and promote HostGPresso. Instead of going for these kind of companies, these kind of offers that never pay you well, help people get their answers and attract them to your links. Use Quora, built-in traffic. Use my software Speed to speed up the process and make money simply by driving people to helpful offers and make a lot of money. That's it for today. If you like this video, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, switch on the notification bell button. You will be notified when we will upload our next money making video, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. This way you can become a part of our noble mission of reaching 100 million people in next 10 years and help them learn how to make money online the right way, the easy way, and the fun way. And we will see you in the next video.